Deep breath. Okay, here we are. Oh, well, with the Pakistan Lathe, I nicknamed it because they do all kinds of cool things in Pakistan, building stuff with metal. This is with the I-beams again, or H-beams. Old headstock, old tailstock. What do you do with them? Well, you make a bed for it, plus a compound, and plus a center rest. So what I'm doing to die is, you can see this, I got this mounted here. It is a cutter, and I already swung it around by hand. Like so. And have a pulley on the back, so I'll put a motor down there and just drive it that way, and then machine this down so that face plate will fit into exactly this 1/16 of an inch indentation here. It doesn't fit here exactly to here to here. It's a little undersized, so I need this here down a 1/16 of an inch, and that will allow this to be accurately placed on this particular faceplate. So this will have on this side we'll have a 1/16 of an inch out, fitting this exactly in here. That's what some of the stuff I'm doing today, along with Mr. Drill Press. Getting that kind of prepared. I think I'll get a vise on eBay. Saw one there, it's an old rusty thing that's $25. And I'm getting a pulley to mount up there, and I'm going to mount that motor over here. So that'll be all done. Other than that, got a few things off of eBay which I thought were kind of neat. One is a flat belt pulley, and another thing is an unknown. I'll just put it over here for now. Where is it? Where did I put it? I stuck it in here. I have no idea what it is yet. The gear driven something or other, so it's heavy. 2 rows of these inside teeth. It's really cheap. And good shipping. Heavy? Yeah, okay, but I had to buy it. Come on. Oh, dear, fell over. Oh, Barbara, where's my hot chocolate? Stay there, will you? Heavens. Screw jack. Oh, that's what I was going to get, a screw jack. Something a little bigger. This is a heavy machine gun mount. Got them at Apex Gun Parts on Gunbroker. Got a bunch of them. Why? Because I think they're neat in the engineering. I learned a lot. Mr. Alex stuff from Greece. That's Navy stuff. Bought a lot from him, like a 10-foot container full, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna go now.